Across the globe, people are being told to stay at home and practice social distancing on account of the global coronavirus pandemic. However, it's important that college students, especially those pursuing graduation and post-graduation, utilize this time efficiently by finding new paths of knowledge and keeping themselves ready for a different world that awaits us on the other side of this pandemic. Hello everyone, in today's video, I, Ms. Ruchi Nirbhavne from Nirmiti Academy, would be sharing few easy tips that you can follow in this lockdown period to utilize your time efficiently. So here's tip number 1. Apply for remote internships. Virtual internship or remote internship is the one where the candidate can take up his college internship work from a remote location without the need of being physically present at the office during office hours. Virtual internships, they help you to gain some valuable experience, and you can utilize this experience when you apply for graduate and postgraduate roles. Tip number 2. Take up an online course. You don't always have to be physically present in the educational institution to learn something. Many organizations in India and abroad are providing a number of courses for a wide range of subjects. And thanks to the internet, we can now take up courses from the comfort of our homes. So yes, we can utilize this time by taking up an online course and enhancing our existing knowledge base. Tip number 3. Build on your family relationships. If you're one of those students who stays away from home due to studies and is back home now, then this is your chance to strengthen your relationships back home. You can do this by bonding through activities such as reading books to your grandparents or helping your parents in household duties like cooking, cleaning or gardening. Friends, invest your time in doing something meaningful and keep adding little bits to your experience and knowledge. For more such informative videos, do log on to our website www.nirmitiacademy.com.